Do these three things and watch your ex start chasing you again. Hello everyone, my name is Fabien and I've been a dating coach for men since 2017. And in this video, I will share with you three things to make your ex-girlfriend or wife chasing you again. Number one, do not double text or beg her. Simply ignore her. Do not give her your attention or send long messages trying to convince her to come back, etc. etc. Women are emotional, so logic won't work. Number two, implement what I call an active no contact. What I mean by that is you are going to post once or twice a week a story or a photo on social media to show to your ex that you are living your best life and that you keep growing and evolving. Ask yourself this question: how can you create a sense of FOMO for her, a sense of fear of missing out? What can you add to your life that will make her regret her decision? Number three, you are going to send a powerful message to break this active no contact period. Send her something that is going to put a smile on her face. So, no, like, hey, how's it going? I miss you, etc., etc. You can use a technique called the associative nudge. The structure is simple. You find a situation that happened to you with a friend, plus a specific detail that reminds you of one of her habits. For example, if she used to hate parallel parking, you could send her this. I was in a car with a friend and he had to drive around the parking lot 3 times to find a spot where he didn't need to parallel park. It reminded me of someone, haha, wink emoji. Subscribe if you want more content like this and if you want a tailored action plan to get your ex-girlfriend or wife back, write the words action plan in the comments and I will get back to you.